Oh, she got that. It bounced.
Good boy.
Oh! I'm trying to give him some water like this, and he's like, nah.
No, no. Close the fridge. Close it. Oh my god. You good girl. You good girl. No.
Oh shit. Fuck that.
Did she just pull up?
Yep.
Don't step on my
Are you kidding me?
Harry here, boys, school supplies. Listen, it's Harry Potter.
Hello. That's my shirt, motherfucker. That's my shirt.
Please drop the knife. Please put it down. Oh my god.
Bailey, you want a treat?
Oh wait, you got to be.
Hey, 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 hey! I would die for you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you.
What the fuck?
Move, man.
吃菜了？啊？谁？
Buddy. Do you want the ball? There you go. Okay, go get him.
Eyelashes on fleek, mama. Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
So what? You using the cat tower now? What? You gonna get up on the fridge with her next? You gonna jump up on the fridge? It's your cat? You think you a cat?
Hi, Mimi. Watch, her ears go like really far back whenever I do like the heavy metal sound.
Put your hand in mine. You know that I won't stop until I...
This is my dog, and she loves me. Yes?
Fuck you, motherfucker!
Oh, God.
Excuse me, sir. I've been wondering if you've found Jesus.
Oh, my God. He's missing? What? No, not like literally. Have you tried Amber Alert? Because I saw that shit in a movie once and they found her. No, I mean like spiritually. Like ghosts and shit? No, I don't fuck with that. I played with a Ouija board once. I know what you're trying to do. I'm not falling for it.
Look at me when I say this. No swimming. Do you understand? No pool. Loki, are you listening? If you go in that pool, so help me Jesus. No swimming. Go potties. No. Loki, I said no. I said no swimming. No. Clausen, no. I said